Bonjour à tous, and today we are going to see about la question objective part 2, which is based on your second lesson. Let's see that today's content is répondre des questions, answer the following, corriger les faux, correct the mistake, and choisissez la meilleure réponse, which is based on your second lesson grammar. And move to the first content, répondez aux questions, answer the following, which is based on your second lesson content, that is who is your favorite star. And first one is Kalki quand est-ce qu'il est né? So Kalki, when he was born. So he was born on 1899. So the answer is what? Il est né en 1899. So it means he was born on 1899. And second one, qui est l'auteur de Ponniyin Selvan? So who is the author of Ponniyin Selvan? Kalki. So Kalki est l'auteur de Ponniyin Selvan. So Kalki is the author of Ponniyin Selvan. And third one, qu'est-ce que c'est Ponniyin Selvan? So what is Ponniyin Selvan? So it is a famous novel in Tamil. So c'est un roman célèbre Tamil. So célèbre means what? Famous. So roman, it's a novel. It's a famous novel in Tamil. And fourth one, où est-ce que le reporter interview le public? So where does the reporter interview the public? So in the street only. So the answer, le reporter interview le public dans le rue. So the reporter interviews the public in the street. And fifth one, la dame aime-t-elle les romans de Kalki? So does the lady likes the Kalki's novel? Yes, she likes very much. So the answer is what? Oui, elle. So instead of la dame, you can use the subject is what? Elle aime beaucoup les romans de Kalki. So she likes very much the Kalki's novel. And sixth one, qui est Dhoni? So who is Dhoni? He is a cricket player. So the answer is Dhoni est un joueur de cricket. So he is a cricket player. And seventh one, quelle est la nationalité de Dhoni? So what is the nationality of Dhoni? He is Indian only. So the answer is what? Il est Indian. So instead of Dhoni, you can use the subject is il. And eighth one, Dhoni Kailash Attila. So Dhoni, what is his age? And his age is 37 years old. So the answer is what? Il a 37 ans. 37 means what? 37. And ninth one, he adore Dhoni. So who loves Dhoni? The children only. So the children in French what? Les enfants. So les enfants and adorons Dhoni. Here the verb is what? Adore verb. Adore means to love or to like. Here you have to conjugate according to the subject. Here the subject is what? Plural. So that you add ent. So les enfants adorons Dhoni. The children loves Dhoni. And 10th one, comment c'est le roman de Patrick Modiano? So how are the novels of Patrick Modiano? So there are fascinating. So fascinating in French word passionnant. So ils sont passionnants. So instead of this les romans, you can use the subject is il. That is ils. And 11th one, Patrick Modiano, où habite-t-il? So where does he live, Patrick Modiano? So he lives in Paris. So il habite à Paris. And 12th one, Patrick Modiano Kailash Attila. So Patrick Modiano, how old is he? So he is 72 years old. So il a 72 ans. It means 72 years old. And 13th one, est-ce que Patrick Modiano est français? So is Patrick Modiano is French? No. Yes, he is French only. So oui, il est français. So yes, he is French. And 14th, Isabelle Adjani est-elle une vedette américaine? So Isabelle Adjani is a American star. No, she is not an American star. She is a French only. So the answer is what? Non, elle est française. And the 15th one, qui est Roger Federer? So who is Roger Federer? He is a tennis player. So il est un joueur de tennis. So joueur de tennis means what? Tennis player. And 16th one, qui est Celine Dion? So this we have seen in the true or false itself. So he is a singer, that is Canadian singer. So Celine Dion est une chanteuse canadienne. So he is a Canadian singer. And qui est J.K. Rowling? So this also we have seen in the true or false in the previous video. So he is an English writer. So elle est un écrivain anglais. So she is a English writer. And 18th one, qui est Cristiano Ronaldo? So who is Cristiano Ronaldo? He is a Brazilian football player. So the answer, il est un footballer brésilien. And qui est Vijay Sethupathi? You know very well about Vijay Sethupathi. Who is he? And he is a Tamil actor. So il est un acteur Tamil. And 20th, nomme quelques écrivains français. So name few French writer. So one is Patrick Modiano. This we have seen in the lesson itself. Émile Zola, and this is also one of the French writer. Victor Hugo and Molière. So these are all French writer. And 21st, qui est Bharadiyar et Bharatidasan? So who is Bharadiyar and Bharatidasan? So they are a Tamil poet. So ils sont des poètes Tamil. And move to the 22, qui est Léopold Senghor? So who is Léopold Senghor? And he is a Senegalese poet. So the answer is what? Il est un poète sénégalais. And 23rd, Albert Camus, où est-ce qu'il est né? So who is Albert Camus? And he is a French philosopher. And where he was born? So he was born in Algeria. So Algeria in French, Algeria only. So the answer is Albert Camus est né en Algérie. And 24th, qui est Leonardo DiCaprio? So this also we have seen in the true or false in previous video. So he is an American actor. So the answer is il est un acteur américain. And 25th, qui est Sujata? So who is Sujata? And he is a Tamil writer. So the answer is il est un écrivain Tamil. And 26, Dhoni comment est-il? So Dhoni, how is he? So it refers to the characters only. So the answer is il est charmant et sympathique. So he is charming and friendly. And Isabelle Adjani, comment est-elle? So Isabelle Adjani, how is she? So elle est belle et intelligente. So she is beautiful and intelligent. And 28, le jeune homme, quelle personnalité adore-t-il? So the young people, which personality likes? So they like sportsman only. So the answer is le jeune homme adore Shevak, Roger Federer, Schumacher, Ronaldo et Michael Jordan. So these are all sportsmen. And 29th, nomme des actrices françaises. So name two French actresses. So Catherine Deneuve et Isabelle Adjani sont des actrices françaises. And 30, nomme quelques romans de Kalki. So name some novels of Kalki. So les romans de Kalki sont Ponniyin Selvan and Sivagamiyin Sabadam and Parthiban Kanavu. So these are all romans which was written by Kalki. And 31st, qui est Michael Jordan? So who is Michael Jordan? Michael Jordan est un sportif American. This also we have seen in the true or false. So he is an American basketball player. So the answer is Michael Jordan est un sportif American. And in this lesson you have 31 question answer which is based on your répondre à question, that is answer the following. And move to the second content, corriger les faux, correct the mistake in the sentence. So first one is j'adore la cuisine indienne. So here the mistake is what? Nationality. So cuisine it's a feminine, so that you can change the nationality in the feminine. Answer is j'adore la cuisine indienne. So the spelling is changed ENNE because cuisine, la cuisine it's a feminine. And second one, je prefer le pop American. So here the mistake, again it's nationality only. So le pop it's a masculine noun. For that you can change the adjective according to that noun only. So the answer is what? American. So you have to remove the E, and this it is used for the feminine only, and this American it is used for the masculine noun. And third one, quelle est votre actrice favorite? So here the mistake is what? Adjective, interrogative adjective, because actrice it's a feminine noun. For that you can change quelle, Quelle, and this it is used for the feminine noun only. So the answer is quelle est votre actrice favorite? So who is your favorite actress? And fourth one, elle adore son livre. So in this sentence a mistake is what? Adjective possessive, because the livre it's a plural noun. For that you can change the adjective possessive, let's say. So the answer is what? Elle adore ses livres. So she likes her books. And fifth one, quel âge avez-vous? So here the mistake is what? Interrogative adjective. So âge is a noun, that is a masculine noun. So the answer is what? QUEL. So quel âge avez-vous? So what is your age? And sixth one, vous aimez la lecture? So do you like the lecture? Here the mistake is what? Definite article. Definite article, lecture it's a feminine noun. For that you can change the definite article la. So the answer is what? Vous aimez la lecture? So do you like the lecture? So this it is used for the masculine noun, and la it is used for the feminine noun. And seventh one, il habite au Paris. So here the mistake is what? Contracted article, that is AU al apostrophe O, and this it is used for the masculine noun, and you have to use the preposition a only before the city. So the answer is what? Il habite à Paris. So Paris it's one of the city in France. So before that, before the city you can use the preposition a only. And eighth one, j'ai un bicyclette. So here the mistake is indefinite article. So this it is used for the masculine noun. So here bicyclette it's a feminine noun. So for that you can change that indefinite article une. So j'ai une bicyclette. So I have a bicycle. And ninth one, tu as une portable. So here also the mistake is indefinite article. So portable it's a masculine noun. So for the masculine noun, indefinite article is what? Un. So tu as un portable. So you have a mobile. And 10th one, ce ne sont pas des sportifs. So here there is no mistake. And 11th one, ce n'est pas ma école. Here the mistake is what? Adjective possessive only. So école it begins with vowel. So if it is the noun begins with vowel, you can use the adjective with what? Mo only. So the answer is what? Ce n'est pas mon école. This is not my school. And 12th one, tu as ton cadeau. So you have your gift. So cadeau it ends with X. It's a plural noun. For that the adjective possessive is what? Te. So the answer is what? Tu as tes cadeaux. You have your gift. And 13th, dans la rue, un reporter interviews the public. So in the street, a reporter interviews the public. So here the mistake is a definite article. So because the rue it's a feminine noun, for that feminine noun you have to use la. So dans la rue, a reporter interviews the public. So in the street, a reporter interviews the public. And 14th, bonjour madame, qui est votre écrivain favorite? So here the mistake is a verb conjugation, that is adverb conjugation, and this it's conjugated for a tu subject and you have to conjugate it for il subject only. So the answer is what? Bonjour madame, qui est votre écrivain favorite? So who is your favorite writer? And 15th one, ma ekriva favorite se Kalki. So my favorite writer is Kalki. Here the mistake, it's again the adjective possessive only. Ekriva, it starts with vowel. If the noun starts with vowel, you can use the adjective possessive mo. So mo ekriva favorite se Kalki. So my favorite writer is Kalki. So for this adjective possessive, you can refer the video. It is a first lesson video, I think so. And 16th one, j'aime beaucoup ces romans. So here the mistake is verb conjugation, aimer verb. It means to like. So the answer is what? J'aime beaucoup ces romans. So I like his novels. And 17th one, il est charmant et sympathique. So here the mistake is charmant, it's charming, it's one of the adjective. So it ends with e. So if it ends with e means you can use the subject al only, not il. So the answer is what? Charmant, you have to remove the e. So il est charmant et sympathique. So he is charming and friendly. And 18th one, c'est un excellent sportif. So he is an excellent sportsman. So the mistake is what? Sportif. It is for singular noun, and this is plural. You can change into the plural noun. So the answer is what? C'est un excellent sportif. And 19th one, c'est un romancier français contemporain. So he is a contemporary, that is French contemporary novelist. So here the mistake is indefinite article when. Here the romancier, it's a masculine noun. So for that masculine noun, you can use the indefinite article un. So the answer is what? C'est un romancier français contemporain. And 20th, voilà mademoiselle, quel est votre acteur favori? So here, madam, who is your favorite actor? So here the mistake is mademoiselle spelling. So it ends with a double L E. So it ends with single L only. So you have to change the spelling. And 21st, set win varat bal a anthelichon. So here the mistake is adjective only. You have to change the adjective according to the noun. Win varat, it's a star. So it's a feminine noun. So you have to change the adjective also feminine only. So bal. Bal means what? Beautiful. So she is a beautiful star and intelligent. And 22, Jean Ronaldo, Michael Jordan, and Elise Longa. So here the mistake is what? Least, the spelling, it ends with e because the definite article is what? Feminine. So that you have to add e over here. And you have 22 sentences there, that is corrigez les faux, correct the mistake. And move to the third content, choisissez la meilleure réponse, grammar, which is based on your lesson grammar only. So first one, say dash Kapitan, the Chennai Super King. So he is a captain of Chennai Super King. So here you can use the definite article, that is le, because Kapitan, it's a noun, masculine noun. So the answer is what? C'est le capitaine de Chennai Super King. And second, votre chanteuse est c'est qui? So who is your favorite singer? So here you can use the favorite. These four, the meaning all same only. And this it is used for the masculine singular, and this it is used for the feminine singular, and this it is used for the feminine plural, and this it is used for the masculine plural. And here chanteuse, it's a feminine noun only, so that you can use a favorite. And next, third, il est dash, it means he is old. So old, it's one of the adjective. Vieux, so this it is used for the masculine singular, and this it is used for the feminine singular, and this it is used for the feminine plural. So here the subject, it starts with the masculine singular only, so that you can use this answer, that is vieux. So it means he is old. And fourth one, nous sommes dash états unis. So here you can use the contracted article. So R it is used before the city, and wo it is used for the masculine noun, and o it is used for the plural only, both the gender, that is masculine and feminine. Here états unis, it's one of the country, plural country, so that you can use the contract article wo. And fifth one, je n'ai pas dash bicicleta. So here the sentence is negative, so that you can use the only. So this also we have seen in previous lesson. When you change into the negative form, instead of this indefinite article, you can use the. So I don't have a bicycle. And sixth one, ce ne sont pas dash sportiva. So they are not sportsmen. So here also you can use the only, because the sentence is negative. And seventh one, dash are ethyl. So here you can use the adjective anthrocative. So these four all meaning same only, and it is used for the, it depends upon the gender only, gender or a plural nouns. See here it's a feminine noun, so that you can use the adjective anthrocative cal. It means what. So what time is it? And eighth one, dash écrivain cherchez-vous. So here also you can use the interrogative adjective cal, because écrivain it's a masculine noun, so that you can use the answer cal écrivain cherchez-vous. And ninth one, j'aime voyager avec dash par. I like to travel with my father. Here you can use the adjective possessive my father. So my in French word mon, and par it's a masculine noun. For that you can use this answer mon. And 10th one, il y a dash fille dans ma classe. So there is a beautiful girl in my class. So a beautiful, it's a adjective oui belle. And this is all about your today's content. That is, répondre des questions, answer the following. Second is corriger les faux, correct the mistake. For this you can refer the grammar which I taught for you, and you can refer the video also. And third one is choisissez la meilleure réponse, which is based on your second lesson grammar. And grammar, it's very important when you write these two exercises, that is corriger les faux and choisissez la meilleure réponse, which is based on your grammar. And please refer this video again if you have any doubt. And thank you all. Merci.